Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G21 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose security over here and tap on screen lock. After that, tap on the best locked method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then choose confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to pick one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with show all notifications content, so I have to click on this option here and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!